Learn to turn a bowling pin in just 3 minutes. First, let's give a brief overview. Introduction to the system interface. The system interface is divided into 10 areas: alarm information display and machine running status display, processing progress and time display, selection of manual cutting and automatic cutting modes, main processing menu areas, the current processing technology, display of external button linkage device, such as hand wheel speed adjustment, rapid traverse and spindle speed adjustment, display of absolute coordinates and relative coordinates, current processing technology data input, tool offset and tool compensation input areas, general settings and technical diagnosis areas, such as languages, standard units like diameter and radius, programming methods, etc. Next, we will conduct a practical operation demonstration. Step 1. Select automatic cycling mode.
A.
Click the H icon and select the step shaft process under the arc process. Click the plus button to create 6 step shafts. Select the corresponding step shafts in sequence from right to left. Select the first step and change the shape to the right arc mode. Enter the corresponding parameters. Select the steps corresponding to 226 in sequence and enter the respective parameters. L represents the z-axis machining length. R stands for the radius of an arc.
Phi 1 stands for the left diameter of the bar. Phi 2 stands for the right diameter of the bar.
F stands for the tool feed rate. TD stands for the single feed rate in diameter mode.